Question 10 is where the real challenge begins. Stick around to test your knowledge to the limit. First one, good luck. What is it? Sheep. Number 2. Cat. Number 3. Dog. Medium level. Share this video with your friends and challenge them. Number 4. Swan. Number 5. Deer. Number 6. Cheetah, if you haven't already, press the follow button for more daily quizzes. Hard level. Number 7. Beaver. Number 8. Buffalo. Number 9. Capybara. Extreme level. If you scored perfectly on the previous questions, you are an animal lover. Number